Got my coffee, ready to rock and roll. If I jiggle like that, you kind of hear the liquid jiggle in my belly. Oh, that's so weird. Why do I keep doing that with my hands? I think my pits are sweating. Yeah! Feels good. Hair's getting in my face. Oh, that's so terrible. I am a robot. If I do like this, it looks like I'm flying. Gotta loosen, getting all loosey-goosey. Yeah. Face is broken today. That stupid fly is flying around all day. There is a fly in this house, and I'm ready for it. Yeah. I'm gonna get you. Can you tell I'm from Texas? I just spit all over the place. Now I'm self-conscious of spitting. I got a little squeaky. That's so many words. I can't ever burp. That is one odd fact about me. I do not burp. They're just these weird bubble things. That breath. Warming up my face. That sounds like a raptor or something. 5 thick cut strands. My face hurts. Recipes. Let's jump straight in and get to cooking. Got a little ranch. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. My mouth is saying, give me more. Give me more peanut butter eggs. That's so good. You can all stuff out my teeth. It's very attractive. But I can't. Oh, just made a mess. Whoops. Doing my happy chicken dance. Delicious. Gotta check out these. What's the name again? Delicious. That salmon is so good. It makes me want to dance. Delicioso.